Continuing with section 12-2, part 1. We are to find the missing links of the triangle. We are finding the hypotenuse in each one of these triangles. That's the one that's missing. We're missing C. It is the side opposite the right angle. So anytime you have a right triangle and you know two legs, you can find the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? So looking at this first one, I'm going to let a equal to 7 and b equal to 24. So working it over here to the side, for b part, is this b part, I have 7 squared plus 24 squared equals to c squared. Putting parentheses around those, 7 squared is 7 times 7 is 49, plus 24 times 24, using your calculator, is 576, equals to c squared. Now, always combine these two values. 49 plus 49 plus 576 gives you 625 equals to c squared. Now, there should be on your calculator a square root button. It will look something like that. Okay, so locate your square root button. So remember, we are taking the square root of both sides. So c is equal to, punch in your calculator, the square root of 625. When you punch in the square root of 625, you should get 25. Therefore, c equals to 25. So there's your answer for B part. So your hypotenuse of this triangle is 25. You can always check your answer by making sure that the hypotenuse is the largest side of the 3 sides of the triangle, and it is. 25 is larger than 7 or 24. Okay? Next, let's look at C. Looking at it, I have A is 12. I'm going to let A equal to 12 and B equal to 5. So let's find C. Using the Pythagorean theorem, 12 squared plus 5 squared equals to c squared. Okay? So here I have 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared is 25 equals to c squared. Now always add these together. 144 plus 25 is 169 equals to c squared. Take the square root of both sides. So c is equal to, if you punch in your calculator, the square root of 169, on your calculator you should get 13. Therefore, c is equal to positive 13. There's no such thing as negative length of a triangle. So your hypotenuse in this problem is 13. Yes, it is larger than either of the two legs. Your hypotenuse always must be larger than either leg.